Hello watcher and subscriber. Now here I tell you how you can evaluate the online Google form, because most of the user, they know how to create Google form, but some people, they don't know how to check the paper or how to evaluate the Google form. So that thing we will discuss in this tutorial. So first you log in with your Google form. So here I am clicking on sign in option, and as here I am assuming you have created some Google forms, so then you have to open the form whichever you want to evaluate. So suppose here I am having some Google forms. So suppose I want to check this Google form. So what I am supposed to do, I will click on that form. Once you click the Google form, this is your question paper, and suppose you have taken the exam of student, then you have to click on response option, and in the response you are getting the plus icon, there you have to click, and then here you will be getting the Excel sheet. So that sheet you have to download. So how to download? Just click on the file option and then click on the download and Microsoft Excel. Then the file will be downloading in your computer. So once it is downloaded, you open this file and you can copy in whatever the location you want. Suppose I paste this in desktop, and then you simply open that file and you can start checking your paper. You have to just click there enable editing, then maximize the file. So here you will be getting the informations of time, student name and the question. So here you have two choices for the checking. Either you can take the paper, write the names, and then you can verify, or you can do in computer also, or you can take printout also, but the best option is you can do computerize. So what happens, suppose you are checking question 1, you have to increase the size of that column, and you can take the use of color. Suppose you assume this answer is right, okay, you are checking from this student suppose, and this answer we assume this is right. So what happen, you have to give color there, and suppose this answer, next answer is wrong, so you don't give the color. Suppose again this answer is right, you can give the same color. So at the end, suppose we assume on here only two answers are right, then at the end you have to write a separate column total. So here at the end you can write the total, and then whichever the yellow marking is there, we assuming this is the true answer or this is the correct answer. So you can write according to that marks, and at the end you can easily make the result also. So this is the way you can use, or if you are not comfortable with that, you can note it down the name in paper and you can verify the answer student wise. Okay, so it's up to you. So here I told you the exact way how you can evaluate your Google form. So I hope friend this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.